Hi, I'm attorney Jeremy Huss. Can the police search through garbage or trash without a warrant? The answer to that question is yes. In fact, police agencies throughout the nation legally go dumpster diving pretty much every day. Most trash is actually public property and becomes that the moment it is placed on the curbside in front of a home. Well, any place trash is placed for pickup, it becomes public property and is fair game to be seized and searched without a warrant. Trash becomes public property because a person disposing of it no longer has a reasonable expectation of privacy in it. The Fourth Amendment to the United States Constitution protects people from unreasonable searches and seizures, and all warrantless seizures are presumptively unreasonable. However, the Fourth Amendment does not protect searches of public places or of public property. It is important for all citizens to be careful what is being placed in their trash prior to placing it onto the curbside, where it becomes searchable public property. The reason to be careful is that a person's trash contains some of their most personal information. And law enforcement will simply take trash bags out of a curbside placed dumpster, transport the bags to the police department, and then conduct a thorough search of the trash. Police are generally goal-oriented when doing this. And the trash search most often occurs in targeted drug investigations, where police suspect a person is trafficking but have nothing solid on the person. Police will routinely seize the person's trash on the curbside to search for any evidence they can use to obtain probable cause and a search warrant. For example, they're looking for evidence of drug use, such as drug paraphernalia. However, a garbage search may also be useful to solve any offense, ranging from homicide to theft. The location of the trash is the factor in determining whether the trash is public property, allowing law enforcement to search it without a warrant. Indeed, the police cannot search a trash bin inside a person's home without a warrant, nor can the police trespass onto a person's property to search an outside dumpster. None of that is okay. The police may only search without a warrant in places they are legally allowed to be. In fact, a general rule is that if a person in the public can legally be there, then the police can be there as well. So if the garbage is placed in a location where the general public can legally access it, then law enforcement may as well. And any person walking by the sidewalk or curbside would not be committing any crime by taking that trash. In the same fashion, a law enforcement agent is not violating any laws or a person's Fourth Amendment right when seizing the homeowner's trash from the curbside. There is also not a Fourth Amendment violation for law enforcement to thoroughly search that trash at the agency's headquarters. Some other locations courts have determined trash is public property are the property surrounding an apartment, a person's yard and garage in some circumstances, dumpsters and public trash cans. However, there are garbage locations police are required to obtain a warrant. As I just mentioned, police cannot search trash inside a home or right outside the home without a warrant. Also, law enforcement cannot search trash inside a person's pockets or in a person's vehicle without a warrant, unless certain exceptions exist. These potential exceptions include consent, the automobile exception, or a Terry frisk pursuant to a reasonable, articulable suspicion. It is important for all citizens to know their rights and the powers their government possesses. A person knowing their rights could be the difference between being arrested or a police investigation fizzling out due to a lack of evidence. Too many people provide evidence against themselves in a nation where significant protections exist. Any person under police investigation should always consult with and retain an experienced, competent legal counsel. Now, if you enjoyed the content in this video, please like the video, and please follow my YouTube channel at Huss Law PLLC, and you can always call me to chit chat.